So today I received this package from China and I'm super excited to show you what's inside. A quick backstory first. A couple of months ago I was told that Kailh was working on a Cherry ML clone. Now Kailh is better known as Kailh, as this is how they label their switches. So Cherry ML clones. Nothing to be excited about. Cherry ML are probably the worst switches ever made. This is a keyboard based on Cherry ML and it is not a keyboard that you want in your collection. They are low profile, tactile, and very scratchy. So today I received these little guys and I must say that they are fantastic. Red one, brown one, and white one. The red one is of course linear. It is heavier than a Cherry MX red. Clear top, so backlight compatible, and here you can see on the bottom the hole for the LED. The brown one is tactile and but nothing like the original Cherry ML. This is way smoother and again heavier than a Cherry MX brown. And the white one, which is clicky and it feels really good. It's a little bit like Futaba clicky switch, but heavier. They are of course PCB mounted. You cannot put them on a plate, of course. They are really thin. And unfortunately they are not compatible with Cherry ML keycaps. The stem actually fits, but the keycap hits the housing of the switch, so yeah, it doesn't work. So that's it. They feel really good and I'm looking forward to build a custom keyboard out of these guys. I have of course to wait for Kailh to release the specific keycaps. And I'll post more pictures. I'll probably try to open one to see what's inside. And that's it. If you are curious about this baby here, it is the White Fox. It is very close to be released. And this is probably the first time that I show it on video. And I hope you like it. It is also backlit. And that's it. Thanks for watching.